Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to change the brush icon in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer, select the brush tool and and press the bracket small and press or to this point at the size with hardness or without hardness. Again right click without hardness and again change the icon. See this many icons for the brush tool, click and select. Again change the icon, click, press enter, resize the point, right click, again right click on your mouse. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.